You doing well? I was doing a little cleanup today. This is, well, you can see tree. It was growing actually just like it is right there. And those are the roots that I've pulled up and cut. And those roots, like this right here, I actually cut while they were in the dirt using a brush knife of mine in 8670M steel. And it's doing this type of work is one of the reasons a steel like that's such a pleasure to use, because it's a tough steel. Of course, it doesn't have the edge retention like some steels do, but are easy to maintain, easy to sharpen, and make doing work like this a pleasure. This was under that door. That's a sliding door that had fallen from this stable area, and I had never got around to picking it up until the day when I picked it up. That was there, so I needed to remove it so I can get all that cleaned up. So we'll go look at the brush knife, and what I'm gonna do, we'll clean it up and we're gonna sharpen it just like it is. All right, brush knife's right there in the dirt, right where I left it. All right, and you can tell I use this a lot. It's got some spots that aren't super sharp anymore. Some WD-40. I'm gonna clean it off real quick. Still got sap on it from the last time I used it. All right, so I don't know if you can see in the light there's a little bit of edge damage, but that is from cutting in the dirt, and you would expect that, but it's not bad. And I've done a lot of work with this, cutting in and around dirt, and I don't really worry about that edge damage. I just sharpen a knife, and I don't try to sharpen it all out, and I keep working. So let's touch this edge up really quick, and we'll see what we've got. What I've got, just a DMT extra coarse. I'm going to start with the extra coarse. And again, I'm not trying to get all the damage out, just getting a workable edge back on it. And this is typically all I would do with a knife like this, since it is a hard use, what I consider a hard use working tool for what I use it for, brush clearing. All right, and again, this damage is still there. I'm not going to try to get it out. Whoops. That wasn't even the extra coarse, that was just the coarse side. So if I really wanted to, I could go to the extra coarse side. Now this, of course, would be a lot easier to do on a bench. All right. And off a little bit. And this is just a little DMT diamond sharpener. I think it's fine. I'll carry it in my pocket a lot when I'm doing this type of work just because it's convenient. I mean, it's not a steel. It is actually an easy lap. I'm sorry, it's an easy lap sharpener. All right. Switch over to a clean napkin here. Hey, guess what? It is sharp. I just sliced the skin off my thumb. Doing this sideways for the camera, and not the smartest thing to do. There you go. See? And here is a piece of phone book paper, just to kind of see where we're at. There we go. It's down a little bit. There's a better camera. All right. Bloody thumb and all.